Hi there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham here, and today I'm showing you around this 2012 Volvo 1.6 D2 R-Design automatic, finished in black metallic with the R-Design silver side mirrors. It's also got rear upper spoiler, great spec on this one, rear parking sensors, electric power tailgate. It's in a state, it's got a really nice long boot. Also got the button there. Onto the inside, full black leather interior, all in really good condition, and the R-Design embossed on the front leather seats. You've also got front heated seats, cruise control and Bluetooth, climate control aircon, dual zone, and the screen display, stop start button there. Just done over 85,000 miles on this one. One owner from new, with a great service history. And if you'd like to see it for yourself, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon.